Good morning. This is Meg with Discover and Explore, and I'm trying something new. I'm using the actual webcam on my computer versus my phone this time and see if we've got more options where I can use two hands to do stuff, which is cool. So another snow day in Prince William County. For my West Coast friends and friends who are not here, they don't get it. We actually got an ice storm last night. Didn't hit us personally right here in my house. There is a little bit of ice out there, but so we're all safe. But the kids are home from school. So what are you going to do? I posted about a month and a half ago, a whole list of pantry items to keep in stock just for fun snow days like today. But this one, you should have everything in that you need in order to do this experiment. It's kind of cool. We're going to make plastic out of milk. So all we need is milk. We need 1 cup of milk, and I've heated it up. You need it pretty warm, so put it in the microwave for a few minutes on low, medium power, or stick it on the stove. You can just barely see that it's steaming here. Just hot chocolate temperature. You don't want it boiling. You don't want it scalded. Just warm enough. And then you're going to need 4 teaspoons of white vinegar. All right, and that's all we're going to need, except for maybe some paper towels and some cleanup, some spoons, everything you've got in your normal kitchen. So here's the milk. I'm going to put it where hopefully you can see it. No, put it back here. And then I've already measured out 4 teaspoons of white vinegar. I'm going to put it in, and then just stirring it up. Really simple, stirring it up. And what's going to happen is the acid from the vinegar is going to kind of clot up the proteins in the milk to make something called, or pull out what's called already in there, casein. Now, I don't know if you can see this. It looks chunky, kind of curdled milk. You're pulling out the curds. Now, these curds, we're going to stir it up just a little bit longer. You can see that going out. And then we're going to strain them out, because what you can do is actually take this plastic. It's pretty much milk plastic, and you can mold it. You can use food coloring for it. I'm going to put it in some paper towels over another jar or something, and I'm just going to pour it in there and see how much stuff we'll manage to get out of here. And it looks, like something you've left in the baby bottle for too long because it rolled under the car seat in the car. And squeeze out the extra. It doesn't smell wonderful, mind you. So good thing we don't have smell vision. It's still pretty warm. I'm going to squeeze it out, let it drain for a little while, and then when it cools enough to touch, you'll be able to, and I'm going to try and squeeze it out just a little bit more. A couple more paper plates. I think a plate would, or a couple more paper towels. This is what it looks like the nasty stuff in the bottom of a diaper. It is just proteins, long chains of a polymer. Now, if you don't have vinegar, you can use any kind of acid. So like lemonade, lemon juice would be good, but you can take it and the kids can mold it for about an hour before it gets really hard. So you can actually do something pretty cool. You can use cookie cutters. You can add food coloring to it. You can add glitter to it. You can actually paint it once it's all dry. I'm trying to shape a heart into this. Valentine's Day is coming up. Let your kids make little tiny hearts, plastic hearts for their friends if they want to do it. You can build a snowman. You can roll it up. It's actually kind of fun. It's not too hot right now, so it's really cool. But it'll mold, and the more you play with it, the smoother it will get. And because it's still kind of globulous and kind of chunky right now, but the more you mold it, and you have, like I said, about an hour before it gets really hard and you won't be able to mold it. But it's an alternative to slime for a little while, again, until it gets too hard. Add some color to it, put it on a card, make a heart, make a Valentine with it, and just have fun. I'll post another really cool fun one later this afternoon with some candy canes. All right, take care, keep on discovering, keep on exploring, and have fun.